Yeah, hi. Everyone joined, right?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So now move to the web functions. We are seen from the web URL and web submit data, and as simply you can observe web add headers and web break save param. So web add header files. So as a developer, when is developing for the application, he will give from the some header files. So if you don't have that header files, you will get from the some 500 error also. So these header files, when you get right, you can go to the recording options, and we can see the here generate web add cookies and assign to the headers. If you go here and record headers in the list, so what are the headers you want, you can select for other all address and click on OK. Then when you are recording the script, right, as a developer, what is developed from the is developed code, so those will be displayed from the here as a web add function is a web add auto header. And one more function, web break save param, also web function only. So which purpose we can use to handle the dynamic value point of view, we can use for the web break
Correlation.
save param. Not correlation. If you tell for the correlation, right, everyone will be don't know. So that is why we need to give from the proper answer. Like to handle the dynamic value point of view, we can use from the web break save param. And web break save param EX also, web break save param reg exp also, web break save param JSON also, to validate from the to handle from the dynamic value point of view, we can use for this all. And next function, web break find. What is the web break find? Is the text verification find function. So in this function, we are validating from the text. Okay. So that is the web break find function. This is the registration function. So that is why we are writing from the above of the request. Okay. And going to the next, web image check. So image check pointer. So point of we are giving from the function web image check. And web submit data already we discussed. And anything apart from this in our script. So maximum these things only we are keep on using from the in our script. So now going to the, can go to the view here, step toolbox will be there, right? If you go here and you can check from the, we have the LR functions, web functions, lot of will be there. So these all web and LR functions will be there. So we have the LR continue and error will be there. So LR continue and error function specified the how to handle errors, and you can choose from the continue running from the if any error occur, means your script is failing here, but you want to throw as a error and your script will be continue from the till end, you can use for the LR continue and error also. Okay. And LR revisiting, LR exit, and LR abort also important. LR abort, LR exit. So LR abort. So if you stop the execution of the action section, execute the user end section and end the execution. So particular action only, it will be abort. So if you go to the exit, what will happen, right? It stop the execution of the action section, execute the user end section also, and end the execution. Means what will happen? LR abort means, for example, if you return from the here as LR abort, this section is aborted and it is not execute from the until the end of the script. But if you use for the LR exit, it will be exit from the particular actions and it will go to the execute from the till end section. End section nothing but what? It's a logout section or end section. Okay. And so LR get host name also. Sorry.
Debug message. Debug message also.
Okay, it's missed. Okay. Yeah, it's LR debug message. So we can debug the message. So you can observe. So the LR debug message function send a debug message when the specified message level is active if the specified message level is not active. A message is not a issue. You can set the active message level to message class brief log. Otherwise, message class extended log from the user interface or by using for the lr set debug message. That is the function. You need to write from the function lr set debug message. And you need to give from the like that. What is the message you are giving and what is the class, and you need to give from the log. So, and we have the LR error message also will be there. LR error message will be send the error. Okay, LR eval string, LR JSON, and LR. So we have the lot of functions will be there. So just you can go there and you can check from here also. LR index also we have there. LR length also will there. LR parameter random. So a lot of functions will be there, but few will be you need to know. So now go into the web functions also. Web custom request will be there. So you can observe we have the recording options will be there, right? If you go there, so when you are recording from the as a HTML base, we are able to see the web submit data, web submit form, these things. But if you jump from the URL mode, you can click on URL mode. We are able to see the use the web custom request only. We need to select this. Then it is generated from the web custom request. So already I told, right, when we can switch from the web URL like HTML to URL, nothing, but your page is like it's a dynamic. For example, web tour application will be there. Every time will be same. No need to record from the web custom record as a URL mode. But Amazon will be there. Flipkart will be there. Okay. So these pages are keep on changing. Like offers will be different. The product cost will be different. The product will be color. So everything they are changing. If you record as a web HTTP, HTML, right? So you're unable to record also, your script will be failed because that is a customer, it is changed. So that is the way when you are recording for that kind of application, you can use from the URL mode and you need, it will generate it from the web custom request. So these all functions, you can just go through and you can read it, everyone. Okay. If you guys will be any function, we can write, you have the any like anything you can unable to understand, right? You can get back me. And same to the, if you want for the, what is the function syntax also, we have the function F1 will be there. If you click for the function F1, it will give for the syntax for the each and every functions. Okay. See, you can observe here. If you select from the web submit data, okay, for example, what is the function we know, we need to write that one. Okay, first, then you can understand. So website match system permanent function will be there. You can observe what is that is the meaning of this, and after that, so you need to write from the like this also, like customization code also, just giving from the syntax. So you can write from the like this also, you can write. And if you want for the with the example also, we can see the here. If you click this, it is show the examples also. See, this is the syntax website max HTML permanent, and we are declaring from the like this. And so everything it is there for every functions will be there. LR and HTML to the web functions will be there. If you go and if you want means you can search from the particular function also. Okay, this is the just a reference for point of view. You can use from the this one function plus F1 you can use. Okay, it's clear everyone. So going to the recording options. I think already I explained recording options. Anyone have any doubts? Recording options. I think we have seen the recording and HTML and URL and scripting is nothing but these all things same protocol. Which protocol you have selected, that will come. So this is the code generation. So if you are doing for the auto correlation, you need to check this ones. Correlation scan, and this one you can scan. Otherwise, you are unable to fetch that correlation value, dynamic value. Okay, and configuration, this all will be default settings, and rules already we know. We want for the any rule, if you want applicable means you need to check this. In the advanced, these are the options we have. So you can use mapping and filter. So we have the capture level, socket level, and same to the TLS 1.0 also will be there. We can use this. And chain configuration and code generation. So these all recording options. And what we miss? Okay. So going to the runtime settings also important for us. So only scripting point you are using from the like run logic, nothing but how many times you want to execute. And pacing you are not used. Okay. I will give for the example this. And logs, just we have the logs will be, you can observe extend logs and parameters. So execution time I will explain for this, then you can understand. Okay. Almost we are completed from the our scripting part from as of today. Okay. So maybe you come with the I have any doubts, anything right in scripting part. So you can message or anything you can ping me, okay, in our WhatsApp group. Okay, I will help you, and you guys will be practiced well. My side I will complete at this, and tomorrow onwards we'll start from the controller. So before that, everyone will be script will be you need to ready like this. User init section and same to ticket booking and user init. One script you can like this, and one script you can keep from the action part only. Everything. Just you can observe when you are executing the test, you can observe how the behavior is going. As per, okay, Kiran told, same like this is going behavior or not in our execution time. So you need to like practice more. If I told for one thing, you need to practice more. Then only you will get from the different kind of doubts and you will get from the good knowledge. Okay. So anyone have any doubts or we can go to close? Aparna, Renu, Srikant. Yeah. So thank you for joining, and like everyone will be prepared this one. Okay. And tomorrow I will ask interview questions. Okay. And we'll continue our classes also controller, because in weekend we'll plan from the as a section from the like a system text and interview section from the overall scripting up to scripting. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye everyone.